Hey folks, it's me Vidya. Today I'm going to share a quick instant pot no onion no garlic pulao. This is a great lunchbox recipe. I know I'm making it without any onion and garlic, but you can add onion, garlic and vegetables of your choice. Let's get started with the recipe. So the instant pot in the saute mode and the display is showing hot. I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of melted ghee. You can use oil as well. Now I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, 1 bay leaf, 3 cloves, 3 cardamom and 3 small cinnamon sticks. Just fry it for 30 seconds or so. So now I'm going to add 2 green chilies slit into half. So now I'm going to add mint leaves and cilantro. So I took about 20 mint leaves and quarter cup of finely chopped cilantro. Just give it a quick mix. And here I have 3/4 cup of mixed vegetables. So it is beans, carrot and potatoes. As I mentioned, you can add veggies of your choice. Just mix it, gently mix it. Here I have 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder and 1 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Again, mix it. Let it cook for a minute or so. Meanwhile, I'm going to drain the basmati rice. So here I have 1 cup of basmati rice. I washed it and soaked it for 15 minutes. So I'm going to add the basmati rice. This is 1/3 cup of water. So mix gently and now press the cancel button, and today I'm going to cook this pulao using the rice preset. Both the duo model and the luxe model comes with the rice preset. So let me press the cancel button and close the instant pot and make sure the vent is in the sealing position, and then press the rice preset. So basically the rice preset in the duo model will cook the rice for 12 minutes in low pressure, and I'm going to let the pressure release naturally as well. So I'll catch you in a bit. So the pressure is all released. I'm going to press cancel and open the lid. Here it is. The instant pot pulao is ready. So I'm going to let the rice cool for 5 minutes and then gently mix it. So here it is, friends, the instant pot no onion no garlic pulao. So after 5 minutes I gently fluffed it with my spatula itself. You can fluff it with fork and you can serve this with raita, yogurt. I used ghee for the tempering, but you can use oil and make this as a vegan pulao. Thanks for watching the video. Please try this recipe and let me know your thoughts and feedback. As always, like, share and subscribe to my channel. And you can find more pulao and biryani recipes on my blog. I'll share the links in the description box. I'll see you all next week. Thank you.